Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GraphQL schemas used in no-code frontends step by step clearly. Ensure you have access to the GraphQL endpoint that your no-code frontend is using. Use a tool such as Postman or GraphQL to make requests to the GraphQL server. Navigate to the GraphQL playground or client to inspect the schema. Run an introspection query to retrieve the schema. The introspection query is typically formatted as a GraphQL query that fetches the full schema details. Copy the result of the introspection query. Next, open a code editor or text editor of your choice. Create a new file and paste the copied schema into the file. Save the file with a descriptive name, such as graphical_schema.json. Alternatively, you can use CLI tools like Apollo CLI or GraphQL Code Generator for automated schema retrieval. If you are using Apollo CLI, install it globally using npm or yarn. Run the command to download the schema directly from your GraphQL endpoint. For example, execute the command apollo schema a download endpoint equals https://yourgraphqlendpoint.com/. This will create a JSON file containing your GraphQL schema. Make sure to review the saved schema file for completeness and accuracy. Store the schema file in a version control system like Git for future reference. Consider setting up a regular schedule to back up your schema based on updates. Document the process for future reference or for team members who may need to perform backups. Periodically review and update your backup strategy to align with any changes in your no-code frontend or GraphQL usage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.